told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away.
Hi guys, super excited to bring you to a new video. This is the week 10 of my funding challenge journey. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on post notification in order to get notified when I post new content like this on my channel. What I actually do in my channel is a channel where I document my journey in becoming a profitable trader, and also my journey in passing a $6,000 account from a prop firm known as Fundednext. So if you're new in this channel, I've done series of videos from the week 1 up to now to the week 10. You can go over them and watch the journey I've been going through, everything I've been facing in becoming a profitable trader. It's not an easy one. So guys, if you like this content, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification in order to get notified when I post new content like this on my channel. So guys, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to take you over to the trades I took this week, which is the week 10. This is the week 10, and take over and tell you all my challenges and everything. I'm also going to take you into the activities I did today, you understand? So guys, if you like this content, please like this video, share and subscribe. See you in the next slide. Peace out. Welcome back on the chat, guys. Like I said, I'm going to show you the trades I took during the week 10 of my funding challenge done in, which is the last week. Like the OG knows that I trade only one pair, which is the EURUSD, and I only trade one time frame, which is the 15 minutes time frame. Also, I only trade one session, which is the New York session. It's all about trading one particular thing at every given time, you understand? So guys, like I said, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. Subscribe. So I'm going to take you guys over to the trade. So guys, let's go on the trade. I'm a Nigerian Forex Trader, you understand? Basically what I trade is I trade I use the Asian session. The Asian session, which I always say on my channel, is that the Asian session has liquidity resting above its high and its low, you understand? Then then the London session do, when the London session opens, it either goes to take the high of the Asian session or the low of the Asian session. Then the New York session does the continuation or the reversal of the trend. So what I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to mark out my Asian session range. The Asian session starts around 1 a.m. GMT plus 1 my time. I'm a Nigerian Forex Trader, and ends 7 a.m. GMT plus 1. So if I'm to do that, I mark the range of the Asian session. The black line shows when the market open, which is on Sunday, you understand? So if I'm to mark my Asian session, which is around 1 a.m., which is here, till 7 a.m., which is here. So these are my range of my Asian session. Like I said, the Asian session has liquidity resting above its high and its low. So let me just write them out there. That Asian, this is my Asian high. The dollar sign represents liquidity, because liquidity also means money. Liquidity means money. So, and this is the Asian low. This is the Asian low. So guys, like I said, what does the London session do? The London session either takes out the high or the low of the Asian session range. So in this case, which is on Monday, the Asian session took out the low of the London session, rather took out the low of the Asian session. And what I basically do, I actually follow the trend on that particular, on that particular time frame. I'm not on my mouse, so on that particular time frame. So currently the trend on that particular time frame, which is the 15 minutes, is actually the downtrend. So the market is actually making lower lows and lower highs. So I just want to follow the trend on that particular time frame. That is basically what I do, you understand? So the market made a low here, a low there, and made a high, a lower high there, made another lower low. So I was just basically what following the trend on that on that time frame. Permit me, my mouse is not here. So after that, what do I see? After taking out the low of the Asian session, I saw that there was a break of structure. There was a break of structure here. The market actually broke structure here. So there was a break of structure there. If I zoom it out, you see that after he took out the Asian session low, the market did broke structure there. So this is a break of structure, BOS. So that is a break of structure for me. So you can see the market, this was a low, this was a lower high, then it took out the low of this structure, then that was a break of structure. So what I was just waiting for is for the market to do to come back to this other block that led to the break of structure. So which other block led to that break of structure? This is the other block that led to the break of structure. So I was just waiting for price to come back before 3 o'clock, because I don't trade anything after 3 o'clock. I don't. And what then the market did? The market eventually came back to this my other block, which I set my limit there. You understand? Without wasting time, I set my limit on that other block with a 12 pip stop loss, if I'm not mistaken. With a 12 pip stop loss, that was what I used. You understand? That was what I used. I used a 12 pip stop loss. But you can see what then happened. The market tapped me in. The market tapped me in, moved a little bit of drawdown and started moving to my direction. Upon seeing this, I was seeing this movement into the downward side, and eventually when the market broke this small structural low, I went on break even. And finally the market reversed back to to stop me out on break even. I'm going to show you that I took the trade, and also I sent it into my Telegram channel, which I opened. So if you want to join my Telegram channel, this Telegram channel is all about where I would document my journey. It's not a signal group. I just post my trade idea on this particular currency pair, which is the EURUSD. You understand? So I also share educational content there. So if it's something you like and you love to join, you can join the community and be part of it and learn a lot from it. You understand? It's not a signal group. It's where I just grow and document myself, just like the way I'm documenting myself on YouTube here. So if you also want to see my daily activities there, you can also join into the community. So this trade, like I said, stopped me out on it stopped me out on break even. So that was a break even for me on Monday. You understand? It was a break even for me on Monday. So let's go to on Tuesday, the Tuesday trade for me. The same scenario, I want to see the same thing. So this is on Tuesday. I want to do first of all, mark out my Asian range. So if I'm to mark out my Asian range, like I said here, the Asian session start from 1 a.m. GMT plus 1 my time. So this is where the Asian session start from on this candle. So till upon 7 a.m. and it stops here. The Asian session stop here. So this was the range of the Asian session. This whole range. Yep. This whole range. So that was the range. So permit me to clone this so you can see. So this is, like I said, this is the high of my of my Asian session, and this is the low. Sorry, I'm not on my mouse, so maybe it's not good with this. So this is the low of the Asian session. So what then do? I wait for the London session to do to either take out the high of the Asian session or the low of the Asian session. So on Tuesday, look at what the market did. When the London session opened, it took out the low of the Asian session, and also rallied up and to take out the high of the Asian session. Upon seeing that, I was just I asked myself, what is this trend on this on this 15-minute time frame? I was seeing, you can see that the actual trend on that 15-minute time frame is actually uptrend. You understand? So if I'm to use my brush tool, so you can see that it's actually uptrend. Watch the movement. The market did made a high, came back, made a higher low, made a higher high here, made another higher low, then made another higher high. So I was just interested in the buying the market at that point, because the trend on the 15-minute time frame is actually is actually what uptrend. So I was just what ready to buy the market. So I asked myself, which other block led to this break of structure? Because you can see that this was a high here that was being taken out, which is also liquidity. So that also is a break of structure. So I consider that as a break of structure. Sorry. So this was a break of structure. So that point was a break of structure. Then I asked myself, which other block led to that break of structure? You can see that this is another block. This week on this candle here is another block. If you go on the 5-minute time frame, you will see that is another block. So what do? I waited for market to come back to that other block around 1 o'clock, because 1 p.m. GMT plus 1, that is when the new year session starts from my own time. So I waited for market to come at that point, at that current 1 p.m. or anything from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. That is when I trade. So you can see that this candle here was 12:45 GMT plus 1. So the next candle was the 1 o'clock. So I waited for that 12:45 candle to that 15-minute candle to close, so that I can see how it closed. And you can see that this 15-minute candle closed with a weak. So that was actually a liquidity grab. So with that, I was confident in doing buying the trade. So I placed a buy execution on that trade immediately. The 1 o'clock candle open, I placed a buy on this trade with a 10 pip stop loss. I use the 10 pip stop loss to target 1:3. That is what I go for. You understand? 1:3. And eventually the market did tap me in. The market did tap me. The market eventually went to my direction, came back a bit, and finally went to my TP to smash me with a 1.5% gain on Tuesday. So on Wednesday was a break even, and on Tuesday a 1.5% gain for me. So guys, that was it. I'm going to show you that I took the trade. I'm not hiding anything. I'm actually sharing my journey with you guys. So that was that for on Tuesday with a 1.5% gain. So let's go over to on Wednesday, the trade I took on Wednesday. So the same scenario, the same thing. I want the same thing. Do also mark out my Asian session range. So this is on Wednesday. Like I said, the Asian session starts from 1 a.m. GMT plus 1 my time. So this is where the Asian session start from. So this is where the Asian session start from and ends 7 a.m. So this is where it ends. So this is the range of my Asian session. This is the range of my Asian session. So like I said, let me just pick this. This is the Asian session high, and this is the Asian session low. So what do I want to do also? I want to see how the London session is either going to take the high of the Asian session or the low of the Asian session. So in this case, it took out both sides. It took out the low with this candle, and also took out the high of the Asian session. So I was actually looking at the market structure. The market structure at this point is not very, 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 very clear. It was just consolidating. If you can see from this point, it was just consolidating. If you are very conversant with the market structure, you see that this point was just like a consolidation period. So what do? I stayed out of the market because there was no clearer structural break above. You understand the structure? And if I'm not seeing anything between 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., I don't trade. This is my trading window, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. That is when I trade, just 2 hours. If I don't see anything of my signature, I don't trade. So you can see in this case that the market was just consolidating. So I did I ran out for that market. I didn't trade on Wednesday because there was no there was no trading set up for me that day. So I had no trade on Wednesday. And fast forward to on Thursday, guys. On Thursday was the CPI. And like I said, I've mentioned it in my channel, I don't trade the CPI days. I also updated it on my Telegram channel. I told them I'm not going to take trade on Thursday because it is the CPI day. I don't trade CPI day because based on my strategy and my back testing, I must avoid CPI and also avoid Friday trading. So guys, the week 10 of my funding challenge journey was just a 2 days trading, which is on Monday and on Tuesday. So guys, I just took 2 trades for the week, which is one was break even and the other was a win of 1.5% gain. So guys, the question in all of you mind is, you all know that I was in a drawdown of my last video. I was in a drawdown of minus 2.9%, but currently right now with these 2 trades, I am finally back to about minus 1.28% drawdown. You can see the growth from being a drawdown of minus 5% up to now with minus 1.28. Guys, this is a growth. I'm happy for myself that I'm taking this thing step by step, following my rules without deviating. It wasn't easy, because I'm happy that I'm also sharing the journey here, so you can see that if I come out from this drawdown, you guys will know. If I still remain, you guys will know. If I blow the account, you guys will also know. If I pass the account, you guys will also know. I'm just here documenting my journey. So guys, that was a trade I took for this week, and it ended with with a 1.5% win for this week, and with a total drawdown on my account of about minus 1.28% drawdown. So that I deserve a congratulations, because it's not easy being in a drawdown and still maintaining the psychology. It's not easy, but you can do it. If I can do it, I am still on my journey. You understand? I've not even hit any profit target. I've not even done anything, but we're still pushing and hoping for the best. So guys, if you like this content, please do subscribe to the channel, turn on push notification in order to get notified when I post new content like this on my channel. If you want to join my Telegram channel community, the link is in the description. Also, if you want to know the program I use, they are known as Fundednext. Very good program. Check them out. The link in the description. So guys, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to take you guys over to my daily other activities for the day. Peace out. Love you guys. Subscribe.